Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And this is going to be a quick tip video about dash cams. Now if you have a dash cam and you happen to catch an accident with it, you want to make certain that nothing happens to that footage by placing it in the protected folder. How do I do that, you may ask? Well, make certain to check your owner's manual for instructions on how to place a file in the protected folder so that it doesn't get overwritten or deleted. Your dash cam may differ with this tip, and if it does, check the owner's manual for more information on how to do this important step. Let's say an accident has occurred and your dash cam has captured the entire moment. Although that footage is on the SD card, it is not protected, which means that it could get overwritten by the dash cam when it has run out of space to place new footage. In order to not have this happen, after the incident, press the record button on your dash cam. It may be listed as REC or record. The dash cam may give voice feedback saying manual recording will now start. Some dash cams even have an audible feature where you can verbally tell it to save recording or save file. The dash cam will place that file into a protected folder like this. It may be named manual recording, or in this picture, manual_REC. The name will vary by manufacturer. Just remember this is where the files will go when you have pressed the record button. From there, you can retrieve the file at any time without the fear of it being overwritten by the dash cam not having enough space on the SD card. Now, if you ever see a dash cam video and after the accident you notice the person's fingers moving in the front of the dash cam, they are pressing the record button to save the footage in the protected folder. I hope this helps you all out and this tip was informative. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.